Have you seen the list of all people playing? No, the one on.
No, I haven't. Wait, it's in the group chat?
Yeah, it's in the group chat.
I didn't get added to it.
Oh, that's.
Okay. Ain't nothing to your phone swap thing.
So.
The random flight up off.
Oh, is it
So
13?
that's year 13, and then
That's
there is
a lot.
year 12. Yeah, that's not. That's like 130 people. I don't know if it was like this the last year.
Why am I not on this list?
I don't know. You're supposed to be. Have you given the?
Yeah, I gave it to Emily, yeah.
You should be fine. Maybe I can add you to the group and you can ask them.
Oh, it'll be fine.
We got the HIV suit.
Wait, actually, no, just add me just in case.
Yeah.
Wait, do I have your number?
What's it now? Send me a Snapchat.
Just refuse me.
Yeah, that's true. You're already there, you know.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah.
Yeah, I can just tell Emily. I think Emily will know that I already gave it to her.
Yeah. Maybe she forgot to give it to somebody.
Yeah.
Because I gave mine to Alfie, you know.
Oh, big up. Yeah.
Oh, big Alfie.
Yeah, big. Yeah.
Do you call him like that?
I call him big up. He calls me small Alfie.
That's so bad.
I know.
That's like. I know Sam is a friend of Alfie.
Oh yeah, sounds
He's
yeah.
like he's in my media class, you know.
Ah, I see. I didn't know we did media.
Yeah, he does. He's pretty good at it, I think. I've done everything.
When you do media, what's the difference between you?
Well, it's like learning about theories and stuff, watching media, like films, music, all that. Music clips also a big part of that.
I see. Yeah.
We were filming a music clip actually.
All right.
So I was just filming my brother, you know, it was like fast film. Nice, I don't really like it. It's like the worst lesson in media.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So what do you do? Do you do
Media, computing and business. Also like English, I try to make it. It's hard for me, you know.
Yeah.
English test, like the GCSE one, you know.
Yeah. Do you think you're gonna pass it before then?
I don't know, to be honest, I'm confused, you know. Like, I need to get the 4, but you know, I always got the 3, like every time.
Ah, I see.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
I was pretty much the same. I was predicting 3 and somehow got a 4.
Oh, it's nice. Did you revise for it?
Quite a bit, yeah. I got a 4 and a 6. The 6 wasn't the one that wasn't that good, I don't think.
Was it literature or was it English?
Which is the one that you have to pass?
No, it's not literature, yes.
Yeah, I got a 6 in literature, I believe.
Oh, that's like
4 in language. How far are you done?
like 24th of March.
Oh, so left. But yeah,
Okay.
that's not much progressive.
Do you think it's going to be hot outside?
I think it will be hot to start off with, but obviously when it gets to night, I think it'll get pretty cold. That's what I was saying, so I'm sure like extra layers. You should bring like a coat or anything.
This is all like this and this.
Oh, really?
Basically, yeah. Is that not hot?
I mean, I've got this, and then I've got 2 extra layers in there and the coat,
Oh, I see.
just in case.
Just going to risk it, I guess.
I'm actually pretty cool.
Maybe I can ask somebody like close.
Yeah.
I hope it's not going to be raining.
Oh no, I don't think, after like, it's been a pretty sunny weather recently, I don't think it will rain.
Yeah, I hope so.
Apparently it was raining last night when we were off.
Oh,
I didn't know that.
so I don't have a raincoat or anything.
Oh, right.
Do you?
Yeah, I brought raincoat in.
Is it like rain?
Oh yeah, it's like rain. You brought a head torch, right?
Yeah, I did. Like, it's suit, you know.
Yeah. Oh, pretty much the whole day. I think it goes straight to the railway station.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been here. Sure, like the airport, you know.
Yeah. How many people do you think are going to quit early?
Oh, okay, great.
How many people do you think will out of everybody?
Ah, maybe like 5 the biggest ones.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna quit?
I'll try to do. I don't think I will. It's just 14 hours, I guess. And I'm already prepared.
That's your fault.
Yeah.
I've been preparing a little bit. No, I'm late for school. But,
Yeah. That's what I'm really sure.
and, like, I've been working with the music, so,
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really want to pay for the train back, so I just want to go, you know.
Yeah.
There is an incentive, you know, to actually finish. Because if I don't, I don't pay for the train,
Yeah.
the bus and back. Yes, I think that's named for charity.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I send it. the idea, but like my mom said,
You could have get your dad. You could have asked your dad's payment.
yeah, I'll probably do after the. So my mom, like, when we had for the vote, she said, okay, you can do it, you're 18, you know, it's fine. But then my aunt started talking to her, you know,
Yeah.
and she like, she said it's really dangerous, that you shouldn't really do it, you know. My aunt believed her, and now she says, I'm not allowed to, you know, she changed her mind, because of my aunt, you know. Because I think I'm the same house with my aunt.
Yeah.
So basically, like, you just like believe her. I still want to do it because it's very fun.
I think it will be fun, yeah. I think it'll be good.
Yeah, no, but if you miss that, I'm not really waiting around like 55 minutes a day. Yeah, no, but that's fine. I've been out for like 7 minutes.